would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind.
Who else woke up unmotivated to clean and get things done, but there's things that you wanted to get done today? Just me? Oh, one of you. Okay, so we are going to do this together. One of the easiest things to motivate me to actually get up and do the things I want to do is to turn on my TV, click on a YouTube video of somebody else doing what I need to get done that day, and then I just go ahead and get it done. I was going to do a relaxing clean / get ready with me video, but I realized the past 2 videos have been super relaxing, so it is time to give y'all some motivation, some energy. So we're gonna have some fun music in this video. We're gonna get going. I'm gonna go through it with you. I'll stop at every room. We'll be like, this is what we're cleaning, this is what we're doing. Speed cleaning. It's like an OG clean with me, where you just put the camera up, you speed clean, you have some fun music, you get the stuff done. Okay, so the first thing I need to get done is take this one outside, and then I also have to feed the cat. So I'm gonna feed the cat first, then take her outside. The next time y'all see me, we are probably going to be making the bed in the bedroom, and I have some clothes that I need to put away because they're piling up on my dresser.
I know where to find them, standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Queens and kings of everything. On you. Queens and kings of everything. I've been wandering in the dark with a cynical, faithless heart. I've been watching the kings and queens caught up in careless dreams. Oh, and you turned up. Somebody turned my luck. I'll give love to the world. I stay true to my word. We'd be queens and kings of everything. I could gaze at the stars, take my rocket to Mars. We'd be queens and kings of everything. I bet my heart on you. Queens and kings of everything. On you. Queens and kings of everything. I'm the queen and you've got the crown. You've been turning me inside out. You keep me sane, I'm not breaking down when I'm with you. Oh, you turned up. Somebody turned my luck. I'll give love to the world. I stay true to my word. We'd be queens and kings of everything. I could gaze at the stars, take my rocket to Mars. We'd be queens and kings of everything. I bet my heart on you. Queens and kings of everything. On you. Queens and kings of everything. I bet my heart, all that I do to live for you. I bet my heart.
Oh my gosh, if you have been up cleaning with me this entire time, I know you have gotten some things done, so definitely give yourself a little pat on the back, because you know, when you're not motivated, it is a little bit harder to get up and do things, because you're like, it feels so good when I feel at my best and I want to do things and it's just easy to get it done. But when we're not motivated, it's like, dragging 2 feet, right? Well, whatever you get done today is more than you would have gotten done if you had said, you know what, no, I'm not going to do anything because I just don't feel like doing anything. Sometimes we got to do stuff even if we don't feel like it. I'm sure there's lots of you that have a 9 to 5 that some days you don't want to go into work, or some days you just are burnt out in other areas of your life, and you still got to provide, you still got to take care of people and cook and do all those things, and you're like, oh, I just don't want to do it. Make it easy. Like, if you need to feed a family of 5 and you're like, normally I like to cook every day, but say today you're just not having it, like, it is okay to make your kids chicken nuggets. Like, it's totally fine. Aaron like eats tons of chicken nuggets. So don't worry about it. Like, don't think about anybody else aside from what you are needing to get done today. Don't think it needs to look a certain way, be a certain way, have certain ingredients. Like, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. If you pop a pizza in the oven and call it dinner, like, your kids are fed, that's enough. So anyways, okay, moving on. I'm taking a break because real life, I'm sweaty and I'm probably going to sit for an hour. So when we get back, or when I hop back on, I'm going to straighten up the kitchen and then we'll move into the living room.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. Reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we can set the world on fire, world on fire.
I'm ready, waiting for you, baby. By the day we first met, and every second from that on, girl, you know you've held my poor heart captive. There was something in your eyes, something in that smile that lit a spark and set my soul on fire. And since that day, I've been yearning for the call, the sign that I've been waiting for. Ooh, baby, I am longing for your love. I want it all or nothing at all. 'Cause I won't stop now. Ooh, baby, I will
Hey, girl.
hold my
Oh, beautiful.
no, I won't stop now. I'll keep on fighting till your love comes
Girl.
around. I am calling for you. I'm dying for your touch. I've been waiting and I'm still here waiting. But I know you'll come around. I can feel it in my heart. 'Cause my love will open up your eyes. And in my dreams, you
So cute.
are here in my arms.
She knows it's time for me to go to go in her afternoon walk.
I see. Ooh, baby, I am yearning for your touch. I want it all or nothing at all. 'Cause I won't stop
Want the good, want the bad, all the feelings. Want you happy and sad in between them. If there's one thing I truly believe in, ordinary love, ordinary love. I wanna oversleep in your shirt 'cause it's ours. Brush my teeth while you're taking a shower. If there's one thing I know, there is power in ordinary love, ordinary.
Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching today's video. I gotta take Chloe outside and I will see y'all back here. Let's see what is today for y'all. I think today is a Sunday, so I will see you back here on Tuesday. Bye!